Here is where to get the fish feast recipe in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. It took me a while to find where to buy this recipe because I am stuck right now at the pork feast and I don't have it. And the fish feast is much better than the pork feast. And I'll show you where to buy this recipe. So for the Alliance, you'll have to get right here in Dalaran at the Alliance Inn. Right there are the portals, so let's get inside the inn and we have to get inside the kitchen right here. I'll show you right now. And you have to speak with this human, the cooking supplies, and he will have right here the recipe, the fish feast. You'll need the cooking level to 450 and you can buy it with Dalaran Cooking Awards, and these are rewards for daily quests, and you will have to come here daily and speak with this lady, and she will give you a daily quest, and as a reward you will also receive Dalaran Cooking Awards. The quests are not hard. Yesterday I just done one and I have one Dalaran Cooking Award, and I need 5 of them to buy the fish feast. So that's how to get the fish feast in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King in WotLK. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.